कल 2 घंटे ही हुए सब। आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रही?
Ma'am, you're not audible.
हाँ।
Ma'am, you're not audible. Akansh,
आई नहीं वो।
क्या?
अब आकांक्षा आए नहीं अभी।
तू कौन है भाई?
मैं पंकज आशीष बोल रहा हूँ।
क्या तू मेरा दुश्मन है भाई?
ये क्या है?
रामायण एक तीर आराम से।
बोल भाई, अभी रिप्लाई भाई लिख के नहीं कर रहा, कोई सुन नहीं रहा, कोई भाई बोल।
अबे ऑडियो ही नहीं आ रही मैम, ये क्या करे?
Hello, am I audible to you all now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so sorry. So I need, let me explain it again because it was muted, I think. So these are
Yes,
the
ma'am.
using the less than and greater than symbol, you use it is for the tag. And what exactly the tag is, it specifies the region of the HTML document from where you will be starting and from where you will be ending. This is defined by the specifies the region of HTML document, that from where this tag will start behaving and till what time it behaves. It is defined by the starting and ending of the tag, and it is only applicable in the web browsers. Only applicable in the web browsers, otherwise these tags don't run. And in the same way, the tag is if we'll start defining the tag, then in the starting you have is the tag name, then you have is the attribute name, and after equals to sign within quotation, whatever you write is the attribute value. Then you need to close the tag. This is called as the syntax. This is called as the syntax. And if we'll say that just share an example, then the name of the tag is font, and whatever you write, like this, you have written face. This face is the name of the attribute, and what the value of the face is Arial. How the face behaves is called the value, and this is the Arial. So this is the example which I'm sharing with you for this tag. In the same way, the tag is of two types. Number one we have is the empty tag, in which only opening is required.
मैम आपकी वॉइस
This
ब्रेक
is
हो रही है
called
बहुत
the
ज्यादा।
BR tag, or the example of these is the BR and the HR. And the same way, there is a next category of tag, which is the container, in which opening and closing both is required. Then example of these are the HTML. Yeah, how you'll write is this, that you need to write the opening and closing both of these tags. Normally the closing of the tag will be with the name of the tag only. If we'll say how will you close this font tag, then the starting of this font tag is with the name of, with can be of any way, like this is the starting. But if we'll say ki how to close, then it is only with the name of tag. Please remember that closing will always be with the name of tag. At the time of closing, we don't use the attribute names or the attribute values. It is not mandatory. Now let me start with the first in the starting you need to write HTML, and same, because HTML is a container tag, you need to close this HTML also. Then let's save it first. Now let me save this
screen नहीं आ रही।
on the desktop with the name font implementation. You have to write font implementation.html when you are saving this document. Save kiya humne. Then we have is, you will see this there is a
स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही।
नहीं आ रही मैम, स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही।
बंद हो गया।
just a sec, let me share. Now it is visible.
No ma'am.
No ma'am.
Still not visible.
नो मैम।
Now it is visible. Is screen visible?
No, ma'am.
Still not visible. If you'll not write HTML after it, you'll not be able to see. Is the screen shared now? Hello? Hope the screen is shared with you people.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next, which we need to move on is the your basic this is divided into two parts. One is the head, and next you have is the body. In the head, you need to define the title of that particular page, whatever title you want to give. suppose this now in this question we had the first in first question because we are using the font implementation, so let us give the title to this document the font implementation only. So let me save it and
Ma'am,
show it
open
how it appears.
मैम
Yeah,
आपने टाइटल दोनों तरफ क्लोज कर दिया है.
just a second. So if we'll be seeing now, this is your title page, which will be appearing on the top of the page. You'll be seeing that यहाँ पर font implementation. You'll see this now. Font implementation is written on the top. In the same way, let's minimize it and let's start with the next part. Now in body, now you need to write whatever you want to move in for. Let's start with this. And BR, anything which you write here in is considered as the heading of that page. So let's start with font implementation. And changing of size. So what is the difference between the heading and the title is that title appears on the top of the document and the heading appears in the face of that particular document, in the white area of the document. If you want to have this heading in the center, then you can have the heading in the center as well by just writing the center tag. Please make sure that in this the spelling of the center is a bit different. This is not CENTER, but this is CENTRE. So let's refresh it. Now you'll see that it appears in the, this is not working. And the spelling of the center is CENTER. So this is, let's start with the font implementation and changing of size. And I have without using, if will not use this BR, and if I'll rewrite anything in this, so this is my first web page. I have not used any BR. I saved these settings and I have written in. So this is my first web page. It will appear like this in the page. And let's move again. I'm using BR. And now I am using the font tag, which was the first question. Then font, after font, I need to write the face of the font. This is now font is your tag. This is your attribute name and what value you want to give. Suppose I want it Arial. Then again, I'm writing size. See, this is again the attribute name. So one tag can have many attribute names, but each and every attribute name has only one attribute value. You can't have more than one attribute value against one attribute name. So one attribute name and one attribute value is defined against that attribute name, but a font can have more than one attributes. So let's have the size 10